B arrived in Osun State in a helicopter. Stirs reaction online. Not the news info. Mr. Peter B, who happens to be the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, has recently got many of his fans and followers talking as he uploads new photos on his official Twitter. He never failed to accompany the photos with a write-up, as he said, "I just arrived Osogbo for the Osun rally." Many people who saw this were amazed by what they saw, as they commended him for always keeping his fans and followers updated on his whereabouts, while others gave their thought and opinion on what they saw. Therefore, my listeners, I will also be your take on the short hand. Peter Obi arrived in Osun State in a helicopter. Stirs reaction online. Please react to that. If as you do so, believe we do justice to every of your reactions. Thank God for the various opinions they already popping from the comment section. The first one is from Christian. Say yes, so welcome, Mr. P.O. That is Martin. Then from She Uma, say well done, as you take the message and promise of hope and deliverance to the people, to the good people of Osun State. May the harvest be bountiful. That is Martin. Then from What Do We Have Here? You say, do you guys want him to come down with Marua or Kurupe? No, it's Martin. Then forget, say he is good man, but there is no trying in harming. God will do it. Not a small thing. Then from guess, say will be that movement all the way. Then from your phone number, I say I wish you successful campaign in Osun State. I think on this note we are wrapping it. Please endeavor to subscribe to the channel and also ensure that you share this very news to our social media platform. As you do so, believe the Almighty God will do the very needful for your life. Bye bye.